All right, let's look at some charts. What is happening? Man, CoreWeave is taking off. You know, why am I even selling you that? You sucker. I'm going to cancel that. Go eat it. Down to 124 IV. You suck it, market maker. Yeah, screw you. I am messing with that. BMNR 43.66. Selling continues. Can we do it at even now? Can we even do? No, well, they're not moving it that much. Can we do it at even now? Well, we'll add 5 more at even. We're selling October 45s. Buying October 40s. Buying October 50s. Selling October 70s. Nope. 8-cent debit. Next one, I'm going to do it with credit. I ain't going to do it with debit. I'm done. Get back to this. SBAT. Actually, SBAT is rallying. BMNR is selling off. Good thing I did both. Actually, I like SBAT more. I want to do like, oh yeah, I want to do more of those. 140, 50. Okay, let's sell 10 of those. Wow, they're killing IV today. IV crush. IV crush is happening. It's for real, folks. Okay. All right. Let's go to charts. Big charts. This is CoreWeave. Let's set these charts up. The 2X ETF is CWVX. A lot of these stocks have ETFs, and I'm dealing options. Imagine this turbocharge already, and this turbocharge the turbocharger. CoreWeave. MACD turning up. I like it. It has potential. I shouldn't even be selling it. I have 3 weeks on these options, man. I have like 100 of them. This could be a massive trade, actually. We'll see. Okay, let's start with the top. What was the first one? BMNR. With my positions first. This is the BMNR chart. You guys see what happened here, right? It went from 30 to 70 in about 5 days. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm not doing it because of that. But if ETH runs to 5,000, it will definitely happen. So this is the daily chart of BMNR. This is where the pipe buyers bought 4.5. This thing went up to 161, and then we know what happened if you guys following it. But now it's a true ETH proxy, and this is the 2-minute chart. So it's been kind of under selling pressure all day, which is fine. Not concerned. Okay, so that's BMNR. This is CWVX, 2X ETF of CoreWeave. Okay, I'll go through Mag 7 and stuff in a minute. This is SBAT. No, actually, PPSI. This is the little stock I'm buying. I'm accumulating up to 4,000 shares. I had a nice pop this morning to 410. We'll see where it closes. I like it. I like the company. Good earnings. Small cap, very small cap. This is SoundHound. Got up to 13 today with the markets on its ass. It's holding too. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get called away that 1,000 shares. And it creates more buying power. Not interested. Let me get these labels gone. These labels are garbage. Vic, I still haven't figured this out, Vic. These labels are irritating me. I don't even know what else do I have. What are those notes? Yeah, that's about it, right? That's all I have. I think so. Anyway, let's start with the SPY. Little haircut today. You know, this happens, by the way, every time we hit a round number. It happened at 6,100. It happened at 6,200. It happened at 63, 64, and 6,500. MACD is looking a little bearish divergency, if that's a word, but volume is pretty low today. Long weekend, profit taking, whatever you want to call it. I have my channel set up. I will not hesitate to short the market or short some stocks or buy some puts on indexes, but then VIX is nowhere for me. Actually, VIX is kind of popping today, so 1560. Still very low. You know, volatility is getting crushed every time market sells off. And yeah, but will we have a volatility event? I don't know. But if VIX doesn't move, your index puts are not going to move as much as you think. Obviously, price is going to take precedence. This is the daily. This is the 2-minute chart. What's been going on with SPY? Nothing, just in the trading range. Looks like about to fall off another ledge probably. But today is long weekend. I don't pay too much attention to these types of days. This is the triple Q, same thing. Looks like a little double top action. Definitely bearish divergence taking place here on the MACD. We're going to zero. We'll see. If we do cross zero, we may accelerate on the downside. Let's look at TLT. TLT is the inverse 20-year Treasury bond ETF. So if TLT is going down, that means true interest rates are going up. Irregardless what the Fed does, the interest rate market, especially on the long curve, long end, they do not care about what the Fed is going to do. That's why a lot of folks, you know, they go like, yeah, if they cut the rates, market's going to melt up. Quite the contrary, actually. Actually, I put a really great video this week. I don't think market's going to melt up if they cut the rates. It could be the opposite, actually. I laid out the reasons why, so you can go check that video out. Again, it's my opinion, not trading, financial, or investment advice. My opinion only. This is the dollar index. Dollar index must be eating it today. Yep, another new low coming because gold, yes, finally breaking out. NUGT, which is the 2x ETF of gold miners. Beautiful breakout. We traded this beautifully premature. You know what? We got out too soon. Al, if you're watching, fantastic trade, bro. Now gold is breaking out. Gold's going to 4,000, no doubt. That's because they devalue the currency. Dollar loses value, money flows into hard assets. Why is real estate at an all-time high? Although some cracks are showing up there. Why is the market at an all-time high? Right? All these things. So, yeah. Let's go. Let's start with the mags. Apple. Looks good to me. I mean, it broke out. By the way, if you guys notice, I don't draw too many lines on my charts. I like naked charts. Just a chart, daily chart. Obviously, green, red bars. I don't even look at candles. I'm a bar chart kind of guy. Always been. Again, charting is one thing. A lot of people swear by charts. Look, I do. I understand charts. I pay attention to it. I know divergence. I know it inside out. But charts tell you the past. It doesn't tell you the future, like any other indicator where people go, "Oh, this happened." That like, but you're anticipating it. Every indicator known to man is a lagging indicator. If you have one that's a leading indicator, meaning it's going to tell you what the market's going to do tomorrow, please, I'll buy it. Whatever you want for it. That's Apple, Nvidia. Yeah, double top looks like it'll sell off. MACD never confirmed that recent high. That's like a bearish divergence right here. This has been bearish divergence actually all along, since actually when the stock hit about 172. Every new high was non-confirming. I mean, look, a little pullback to 50 EMA is warranted, if not 200 EMA. These stocks are so far from their 200 EMAs that I'm going like, yeah, sure. Amazon. I mean, look, they're just consolidating. I don't see any harm in here. Oh, little pullbacks. But then on Twitter today, he goes, "Oh my God!" So the bulls are going to say buying opportunity of a lifetime after the market goes down 1%, and the bears are going to say we're going to crash. I don't think any of it is going to happen. Actually, Microsoft is all right on support at 50 EMA. Meta. Again, support on 50 EMA. So that's going to be critical. 50 EMA has got to hold. If 50 EMA doesn't hold, we may have more of a sell-off. That's when I may step up to some index puts. We'll see. Because if the market's going to sell off, other asset classes may sell off, such as Bitcoin and ETH. So, but then, I'm in defined risk trades. It doesn't really make any difference to me. What else? Let's look at the Tesla. Tesla is actually selling off pretty hard today. Oh, is it ever? Down 13. So every time Tesla gets to 350, it gets turned back. It's still going sideways. Look, I love the company. I love the guy. Tesla's dead money. It's been dead money for 4.5 years. Is it a great trading stock? It's an amazing trading stock. Is it a buy and hold stock? Absolutely. If you bought it 10 years ago, if you bought Tesla 4.5 years ago, honestly, I think it's exactly the same price as it is. Let me take a look. It's 4.5 years ago. Yep. Okay. So there's where we are today. 332. Okay. So we're going back to now. Okay. October of 21. 332. What is that? 4 years. In fact, if it gets down to 300, I mean, you guys see what I'm trying to say, right? But if you bought it 10 years ago or 7 years ago, when it was just sleeping, yes. But last 4 years, definitely great trading stock, not a buy and hold stock. As I say to my members all the time, stocks are to be bought and sold. Let's go Palantir. If you guys have any questions, put it up. Palantir actually, after my favorite CNBC clown said, Palantir is going to 200. I swear to God, I think it was within an hour the sellout started. It went from 190 to 142, literally in like 5 days, 6 days. And I'm going like, and you block me? I should block you, you clown. Anyway. It's just kind of consolidating. It looks like a continuation pattern to the downside. I mean, look again, all these stocks, even with the corrections, are so far from their 200 EMAs. It's not even funny. This is Hood. Beautiful, right? Okay. If you have, some of the other nosebleeds, Oklo selling off today. I want to be short Oklo. Actually, I want to be short METC. Yeah, I definitely want to short that stock. Actually, I'm going to short that stock either today or Monday. And when I say short, just short the stock. We were short Joby. Of course, we didn't hold long enough. Made money. There you go. 1380. Yep. There you go. Archer. This is the eVTOL companies, by the way. And ACHR. Right on the 200-day. 892. If it's the time, this is the time, folks. Yeah, Joby was 22, $15 billion company without a penny revenue. Forget sales, revenue. Yeah, whatever. ASTS, I like this company. Next pullback, I'll trade the 2X ETF, which is ASTX. Lemonade, I like a lot. I like this company a lot. Yeah, say green today on a day the market's absolutely just crashing. This is it, folks. This is what you guys got to learn. Outperforming names. When your stock is green on a day like today, what do you think your stock is going to do if the market turns to the upside? It's going to fly. And earnings were fantastic, I see. Yeah, that's a buy. So how do you trade this one? You can do a synthetic. I don't think this is 2X ETF. And mostly I'll do a synthetic on this. So synthetic meaning not messing around, selling the put, buying the call. Probably sell the 55 puts, buy the 55 call. And, it's like a stock replacement, actually. SoFi, red day, consolidating. What a beautiful chart, right? NEO. So 10, I wear a pink tutu. I have the puts. I honestly, I hope for his sake. It's building kind of a bull flag. I mean, it's a beautiful chart, actually. If I didn't know it was NEO, I like this chart a lot. So this was the 3 to 5 move, then consolidated for about 2.5 weeks, and then broke out. So we're at the target. We broke out, we hit our target. So either this is consolidation before it goes to 10, or we roll over and die. We're going to find out. You guys will find out if I'm wearing a pink tutu or not. What else? Affirm had amazing earnings yesterday. Affirm is the buy now, pay later company, like Klarna is. So people are buying their groceries on buy now, pay later these days. That's how amazing the economy is, actually. Yeah, Baba had I mean, look, man, I've been bullish on China forever. And there you go. There it is. How about the other ones? What are they doing? JDSU. It may be time for these to, I mean, this is just, yeah, maybe time. Baidu. Yep, Baidu's kind of actually coming out of base now. Baidu. Yeah, those are the ones to look at next. Those are the secondaries, because these numbers were a lot higher. Like Baidu, I think, was like a $300 number. Ultimately, yep, look at that. 350, I remember. Coming out of a base. I like these Chinese stocks quite a bit. And people go like, yeah, Chinese economy is trash. Tariffs, this, that. Bro, they're doing what we're doing in a much more massive scale. They're printing. They're printing and spending. You guys must understand this, man. You guys must understand the correlation between M2, global M2, and the markets. If you understand it, it's an easy game to play. If you don't understand it, then you go deposit your paycheck in a savings account at the bank. What else? I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, just shoot it. Oh, I'm bullish on a couple of the Waymos of China. We ride WRD 930 every time it gets into the 8.5. So I got to go long. We traded that. I mean, if I put the labels on, you guys will see how many times I traded that thing. Pony AI is the other one. Yeah, it's just going sideways. Soundhound. What is it? 1273. Yeah, I think I'm going to get called away. I am pretty damn sure I'm going to get called away. So again, stock is green with the market down 250 on NASDAQ. Okay, well, what's going to happen to this if the market goes green today or Monday? Anyway, yeah, we'll get called away. Oh, HIMS. Is that dying today? Yeah, that thing is rolling over. I'm not sure about that anymore. We're right at the 200 EMA. If that thing breaks 40, that's trouble, folks. Yeah, I don't like it this much. Rocket Lab, a lot of people are, yeah, let's look at that stock and look at HIMS, the difference, right? Hanging. New highs coming. That's what stocks do, man. Good stocks, anyway. Well, the momentum stocks, not good stocks. They're like, not that they have earnings or anything like that. If you have any questions, put them up. Oh, I don't think I showed SBET chart. SBET. Here's SBET. 1784. So what did I do on this one? Sold the 17.5 puts, bought the 15 puts. Bought the 20 calls, sold the 30 calls. Popped the 30 would be appreciated. This thing was 124, then came down to 9. And rallied from 9 to 40. It came down to here, went to 30. Now we're back down to 17.5, 17. With MNAV at 0 because they keep buying ETH. So that's what, 43.70. Can we do it now? Can we do it at credit now? Or we wait until Monday? Yeah, we'll just wait until Monday. We'll put 10 more on that and 10 more of SBET. I want to buy some Serve Robotics. Yes. I do actually at 11. Buy the shares. Not anything else. Reddit had a massive day yesterday. We pulled back and we missed it. Pulled back to the 20 EMA. Great earnings on that one. Actually, we traded the 2x ETF on that a couple times. Coinbase. Not my favorite, but kind of consolidating. If you guys have any questions, please put them up. And last but not least, did we look at Tesla? TS. Yeah, we did. Tesla. Yeah, big down day today. I don't know why. I mean, that thing is on its low at 13, 13 lower. And 2X ETF is TSLL. Yeah, just going sideways. TSSI is another one I'm watching. They did a secondary at 17. Stock is 1382. I think it was over 30. We shorted that thing. Doug, myself, and my couple of members. I do go short as much as I go long, but being short, the risks to the upside are massive, right? But if you do nail it, like Joby or this one, yeah, Fat Cat, Fat City. You got to time it right, though. You got to be really timing it right on selling short. That's about it. So, Bitcoin, IBIT, BlackRock ETF. A little consolidation pullback, no problem. And micro strategies, strategy, MSTR, right at the 200 EMA. It's violated it a few times before, but it's losing its MNAV, folks. It's down to, I think, 1.3, 1.35. Still too much premium for my liking. So, I was going to explain to you guys the slippage. See MSTU, right? Okay, that's the 2X ETF of MSTR. So let's take a look at it. The high on MSTU was 1087. Let's say 11. Right now, it's at 526. So it's down 50%, let's say, right? How much is MSTR down? This is what I'm calling about slippage. Okay, MSTR was 450 when that one was 11. It's down to 325. 450 to 325 is 125. So MSTR is down 30%. MSTU is down 50%. Now you guys understand about slippage? Okay. So when you're trading the 2X ETFs, make sure you're doing it for a few days because there is a massive amount of slippage. 2X ETF of Ethereum. No, what is it? EFTU? Is it? No. EFTH? No, what am I doing? ETHU. Yes. Yeah. Okay. It's a 2X ETF of Ethereum. BITX is the 2X ETF of IBIT on the 200-day. That's pulling back into support. It looks interesting. Again, so BITX, IBIT. So on MSTR, by the way, let me go back to that again because I just recalled something I said. MSTR is down from 450 down to 335. So that's 115 points. Correct? 451, 330, right. 115 points on 450 is about 22%. 25% would be about, okay, 24%. Well, MSTU is down 50%. Why? Because it's a 2X ETF, right? But it's down more than 50%. It was 11 down to 510. It's down like 55%. You guys understand the slippage now. So, yeah, that's where things are at. Last look to triple Qs. I mean, it can't be too bearish, can't be too bullish. Not much going on, really. Just kind of consolidating, honestly. I look at 10-minute, 10-day, 1 hour, 30-day. Obviously, I do an intraday, but I don't day trade. So, long weekend, not much is going to happen. Volume is quiet. Well,